Hi, I'm Curtis with the Fun Times Guide. In today's video, I will be going over some of the fall maintenance items you should be sure to check on with your RV. The first place to start is up on the roof. Up here, you have vent covers, satellite dish covers, refrigerator covers, and all these plastic components will age over time, and you need to check to make sure that they are not crumbling or falling apart. This trailer is relatively new, so that doesn't become an issue until the trailer is 4 or 5 years old. Beyond that, you need to inspect every area where something protrudes through the roof to make sure that the sealant around it is still intact and not cracking away. One of the major areas is the seam across the front of the trailer, and if water manages to migrate in here, it can do a lot of damage in a short amount of time. To extend the life of your roof vents, I recommend some kind of a vent cover such as these Camco covers, because the roof vent cover is very light duty plastic and it will weather poorly over a period of time. You want to make sure that there are no tears or gouges in the rubber roof membrane, and these can be easily repaired, but if they're left to go over winter, water will migrate in and destroy the structure of the ceiling inside. On the outside of the trailer, check caulking around all edges to make sure it is intact and not pulling away. And it is recommended that around windows of your RV you apply silicone sealer around the outside edge to seal it to the side of the trailer. Windows are generally installed with butyl tape from the factory, and in time this will dry out and crack and pull away. Tires are another important fall inspection you should make. Not only are you concerned with weather checking around the sidewalls on the outside, be sure to inspect between the treads, because a lot of times you will get cracking between the tread lines, which indicates dry rot, and your tires will fail on you unexpectedly. Another important fall inspection item is adjusting the brakes. These rubber caps right here cover the adjustment port so that you can tighten your brake shoes. Lubrication of wheel bearings is another important issue that needs to be addressed. If you have Dexter Easy Lube axles such as these, it is a simple matter of removing the little center hubcap and attaching a grease gun while you are spinning the wheels with the wheel off the ground and pump grease into it. It is also important to maintain your tow vehicle or your motorhome motor and transmission. Be sure to check all your fluid levels every fall, and if it is due, fall is a good time to change the oil so that you are ready for a fresh start in the spring. These are just some of the pointers that your particular RV may require. There is likely to be more items that need to be checked, but be sure to give your RV a good once over through the fall season so that it is ready to go next spring, and hopefully no damage will be occurred during winter storage. Thank you for watching.